So, Kenny, what the hell did you do?
I knocked down a sign right here. It wasn't a pretty picture.
How the hell did that happen?
I survived though.
we got a 4x6 timber, and I don't even see a mark on your sled.
No.
You lucky motherfucker.
I know. I'm glad I got all that gas out of my system earlier, you know. What happened? I almost got stuck down in there.
Here.
Missed all that tin there.
This was supposed to be here. And then Kenny came along, and that's about what happened. He sheared it right
I mean, I almost went down there. Yeah. I had the fucker wide open. How about it, Rick?
Oh, he was on the gas, no doubt about it.
Okay. Yeah.
I turned around, I watched him coming, and he just sheared the freaking thing right off.
Oh boy. Yeah.
One beer too many.
Huh?
One beer too many.
Yeah, one beer too many. 2 beers, right? Wow.
Looks like a body rolled there. Narrowly missed all this scrap steel. Through the tag elders. Almost hit that big one. I don't think that one would have broke. Oh, Kenny. What are we going to do with you?